And then there's those peachy keens in the back there. I think there's like 4 or 5 of them.
What are peachy keens?
Those are the apricot I was telling you that was bred by Harry Hulk that grew 15 feet in 3 years and produced fruit.
That's what these are?
No, the ones that you were looking over there.
Oh, okay.
These are the David's peach.
David's peach, okay. And what are these right here? These are
the Colorado apricots. Those are from up in the mountains of Colorado.
Hang on, we gotta get that out. Tell me about the Colorado apricots that I'm getting.
So these are from, let's see if I have the exact place. Just from actually from Boulder, Colorado, up in a mountain pass, and in a very dry, arid area. And a person found a tree that had really nice, sweet apricots, and it's an area that hardly gets any rain at all, and it's a very stressed area. And yet the apricot tree was looking really healthy. So, and got a bunch of pits from him a few years ago, and. Apricots and peaches tend to be pretty much true to seed because the genetic variation is so small. So you could plant a pit of apricot, peach, or even cherries and plums and pretty much almost get the same thing. As opposed to planting a seed of an apple and you have 1 in a million chance of getting
1 in a million.
That tastes, yeah, that's what they say. 1 in a million chance of getting an apple that tastes,